In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset your oil maintenance light on a Nissan Maxima. It is located inside the vehicle. Let's get started. First, we're going to make our way inside the vehicle, turn the ignition on. Once it's on, use the buttons to go all the way to the right in the menu. To settings, press OK. Now go down to maintenance. This is where you'll find your oil and filter reset. Press OK as well. And go down and press reset. Now you can see it is reset. And that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.